Pulled up at the lot over here. This guy, he's trying to mean mug me or something, man. Like, give me a hard look. It's gonna be something that hurts my feelings. He called the police over here because somebody impounded his motorcycle that probably don't have insurance or a tag on it, but he's mad at me and I didn't even tow it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Get some video. See how he likes that. Yeah, he's got expired tag. The police is telling him right now, if he's parked in an apartment complex, they have the right to tow it if it's got expired tag. And that's what they do, they tow him. Hey, there's a tow trucker. I'm pulling up on a hot one here. Somebody down here is blocking that garage right there. They got somebody blocked in. Person that lives right here in B2. This particular person, or it could be B1. One of those two garages has got a car parked in there. Somebody can't get out of their garage because this car right here is parked in front of their door. Anyway, when you parking somebody, you block somebody in like that, man, you really gotta consider other people. You can't just blatantly block somebody in, man, not unless you want to get towed. You know, this is what happens when you do that. It's what we do, man. We show up and we yank them. It's just what happens. On a Amazon van. Looks like he's stuck. This driver run off the road right here. Amazon Prime. Looks like he ran off the driveway into a spot. Anyway, this is the kind of stuff that happens on these Amazon delivery drivers. They deliver packages all over the place, and this driveway right here is not fit to drive on. I got my tow truck stuck and I had to go back that way. I didn't know if I was going to make it out or not, but she got stuck. She slid off into this hole and didn't make it. Anyway, we got her out. I'm gonna roll to the next call. Took 20 minutes. Pulling up over here on a box trailer. You see in that corner over there's a box trailer. Evidently this property's got a limited parking. They want this trailer right here removed off the property. It's been sitting there too long, probably got bad tags. Either way, these properties, this is the daytime, and the parking lot's full in the middle of the day. I can't imagine how full it is at nighttime when everybody's here. So we're gonna snag this thing up, man, and we'll see what happens. I'm sure this guy, if he does happen to be home, if he comes out, he's not gonna be happy, man. That it didn't seem like they're ever happy. Well, that wasn't too bad. I have had some pretty bad confrontations on this property right here. Every now and again, you'll run into some people that are real disrespectful. There's a person parked in a handicap right there. They got no handicap placard. Yeah, man. No handicap, nothing, man. This is kind of freaking stupid. People are pretty pathetic when it comes to parking in handicap parking spots. Ain't no reason for it, man. There's so many handicapped people out here in the world that ain't got nowhere to park at. It really sucks. Like the stickers. But they got it backed up where you can't see the tag. But the tag looks like to me like it's 19. This is what they do. They back their cars up against a block wall where you can't see the tag. It's like they hit the wall. Yeah, they hit the wall. Backed up all the way back and hit the wall where nobody can check the tag, but that don't really matter. We're fixing to load this one for sure. This may be one of the people that talked to the management. He wasn't sure what car it was. Hey. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
So good.
Are you part of the tow truck?
Yeah. Well, I'm not the guy that supposedly. Have you talked to the office?
Yeah, I talked to the office. I have a separate tow truck coming for that back vehicle.
Okay. Well, he wasn't sure which car it was.
Okay.
And he did mention somebody had one coming. I'm gonna back it in that hole back there, right by that truck right there.
Okay, yeah, he should be here in like 2 minutes.
I'm fixing to back it in that hole right there because
Okay.
he did mention somebody was.
Yeah, I got a tow truck. He's on his way right now.
The office manager here told me he had a resident come in about a car she was having hauled out of here, and he couldn't remember which car it was. I told him if I ran into her, I would drop the car. So she got her car back free, and her guy's coming to pick it up right now. So that's what happened on that one. Anyway, we're off to the next, man. I'll get another one.